Young Ali lived in a small village surrounded by lush green fields and mountains. He was a bright and ambitious student, with a thirst for knowledge and a dream to make a difference in the world. However, his village lacked proper educational resources and opportunities, and his family struggled to make ends meet. Despite these challenges, Ali was determined to succeed. He studied hard, often by the light of a lantern, and devoured every book he could find. He was especially drawn to science and mathematics, and spent hours solving complex problems and conducting experiments. As he grew older, Ali's passion for learning only intensified. He began to teach himself English, and soon became proficient in the language. He also started tutoring his fellow villagers, sharing his knowledge and inspiring others to pursue their own dreams. But fate had other plans. Ali's father fell ill, and he was forced to drop out of school to support his family. He worked multiple jobs, from farming to teaching, but his passion for education never faded. He continued to study in his spare time, and soon became a skilled mathematician and scientist. Years passed, and Ali's reputation as a brilliant mind spread throughout the region. One day, a visiting scholar from the city announced a scholarship opportunity for deserving students to study abroad. Ali saw this as his chance and applied, despite the skepticism of his villagers. The selection process was rigorous, but Ali's hard work and determination paid off. He was awarded the scholarship, and soon found himself on a plane to a foreign country, surrounded by towering skyscrapers and bustling streets. At first, the culture shock was overwhelming, but Ali was determined to succeed. He threw himself into his studies and soon excelled in his field. He made new friends, learned new languages, and discovered new cultures. As he walked across the stage to receive his degree, Ali knew that his journey was far from over. He had a responsibility to use his knowledge and skills to make a difference in the world. And so, he returned to his village, armed with a newfound sense of purpose and a determination to inspire and educate others. Ali's story is a testament to the power of resilience, determination, and the pursuit of education. Despite the obstacles, he never gave up, and his journey inspired countless others in his village to chase their own dreams. And as he looked out over the fields and mountains of his childhood home, he knew that he had truly made a difference.